Welcome to Chicmas day 21. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a great start to your week. We are about to prepare dinner. Hang on a second. We're about to prepare dinner. Actually, it's like really simple. We're just popping some frozen food into the air fryer. But I was just gonna say, you guys know that feeling once you've just washed your hair and then kind of given yourself like an at-home blowout and then curl it and it just feels super clean? That's how my hair feels right now. I'm having one of those like salon moments. Although it doesn't look like a salon moment, but my hair feels like a salon moment. So anyway, let's go put tonight's dinner in the air fryer. I have this coconut shrimp from Costco. So we're gonna put some in the air fryer because my parents did stop by Porto's earlier and they picked up a few for, you know, just the doctor's offices, but they brought some home for us, for everybody to kind of eat. So in here we have cheese rolls, which are delicious. Oh my gosh, it's been such a long time since we've had cheese rolls. I think since the last time I had this was before the pandemic. We have 1.5 left of the potato balls. These are so good. Tonight's dinner, we are having this coconut shrimp from Costco. Then I'm just having some cucumbers with it. Jonathan didn't like the taste of the coconut in this, so I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you know my thoughts on it. We're gonna dip it in the Underwood Ranch's Bim Bim Bop sauce. It's a spicy Korean sauce, which is, oh my gosh, it's so good. It is tea with tin, and we actually just had a little almost emergent, well, not a bad emergency, but my dad noticed that there was a leak under the sink, so Jonathan took everything out of the sink, and I guess the pipe itself is cracked, but luckily they caught it just in time before, you know, that thing got bigger. So call a plumber to fix it tomorrow, but luckily, you know, they caught it in time. Let's have tea time. I think this is hot. We actually can't use the sink right now. The English Tea Shop Organic Tea Advent Calendar, day number 20. What are we on? Oh, we're on 21. I was thinking we're on 22. No, we're on day 21. Oh, this smells good. A little bit peachy. Festive spice. Ooh, this sounds like it's gonna be a good tea. Organic black tea with cinnamon, orange, ginger, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and pepper. Okay, I think I'm gonna like this one. Then for our Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Chocolate Truffles, day number 21. Day number 21 is right here, and let's get a good one today, please. Okay, so we have a milk chocolate. I was gonna say I didn't have dessert, but that would be a lie. I did have a cheese roll, so that does count as dessert. But these are just like little minis. Then for our Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, day 21. Right up here, joke of the day. What music gets popcorn to dance? Give up? Hip hop. Oh, Jonathan's playing Call of Duty, so I couldn't tell him that joke, but yeah, he would have said that was like super corny. Today's popcorn, speculoos popcorn. Oh my gosh, have you guys had the speculoos? Is it the speculoos butter or peanut butter? Is that what it's called at Trader Joe's? Oh, comment below if you've tried that from Trader Joe's, because that is so good. Try the tea because I'm a little bit thirsty. It was pretty good. It's a good blend. Does feel festive because of the cinnamon. Let's eat our chocolate. Honey caramel. And then let's try our popcorn, the speculoos popcorn. Oh yes, this is gonna be so yummy. Oh, this is good. Cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. I can tell you Jonathan is not gonna like this because of the cinnamon, but I'm a huge fan of this one. It's really delicious. Unbox this with you really quickly because it did arrive today in the mail. And it's from Influenster. If you're not aware of Influenster, it's free to sign up, log in your socials, you take like a quiz. You can potentially qualify for a Voxbox. And I remember getting the Voxboxes like way back in the day, like when I first started on YouTube, your honest review on it. You would have to post about it. You were able to try out some products for free. So I will link it down below in case you're interested, but I did qualify for the Laura Mercier new Secret Camouflage Concealer. It's a brighten and correct duo. Wow, there's more than just concealer in here. Hold on a second. Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Brighten and Correct Duo. And I received the shade 3N. I think this will be good. So this is 3N because I do have more of like a neutral undertone. Oh, actually this is gonna be good. I think those are going to be really good shades for me. Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in the shade Rose. Wow. Look at that. It's like, it's beautiful. So hopefully you could see this. It's just a really light swatch of the blush. Secret brightening powder for under the eyes. I have the brightening powder. Wow, thank you so much, Influenster and Laura Mercier. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out. Really excited to try out the concealer because it seems like super creamy. Let's go ahead and read comments, and let's go with Flowerlicious Resident. Hey Chicky, I love my bubble smoothie and love taro and avocado combo, but unfortunately since I've moved out of Seattle, I haven't had bubble smoothie since. Though I always like to count my blessings that I can just make my own avocado smoothie at home. Life is good. Yes, definitely. You definitely have to count your blessings, and avocado smoothies in general are Jonathan's favorite. He makes his own avocado smoothie, but he still also likes to get avocado smoothies when we go to pho. He always asks for an avocado shake, but I've never tried a taro avocado combo. That sounds very interesting. Thank you for the suggestion, and thank you for commenting. Sin Joe time. Hey Cindy, I love honeydew boba drink. Thank you so much for commenting, Cindy. And I believe when I responded back to you, I was saying that it sounds really refreshing. I've never had a honeydew boba. I know I've seen it on the menu in different boba locations, but I've just never tried it because I would always get, you know how it is, like when you have your favorite, you kind of just like stick to that. So I'm pretty sure I always kept getting boba, and I just ended up passing up on the honeydew boba. But thank you also for the suggestion. Go ahead and end Chicmas day 21 here. Hope you guys had a great day today. I hope you enjoyed hanging out for a bit. If you did, please make sure you give this vlog a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas day 22. Mwah.